when Karen from marketing wants to schedule a video conference call in 15 minutes. All right, who's doing a work from home video conferences? Who needs that no makeup, a makeup look? Because Karen from marketing just schedule a meeting ASAP. Let's do a quick no makeup, a makeup. Look a little bit better than this, and let's get on those calls if we need to. So first off, let's douse our face in something very hydrating. Wash your face if you can. Let's douse it, look a little bit hydrated. And for a quick no makeup look, we definitely have lots of options. Pat that bad boy in. Make sure you washed your hands. And to minimize a foundation that we need to use, just go in with your concealer. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer. I'm going to give myself a little quick glowy no makeup look, but I'm just going to hide, where we have blemishes. We're not doing our crazy concealing, but any redness, you can kind of do a concealer. Pretty good. That area around your nose. We're going to look awoke. Damn it, Karen. Blend that out. You can really just do a full face of concealer if you wanted to. But this, for those of us who don't have that perfect skin, but you want something quick, go around those red areas. That should be something quick. And now your foundation is going to be even quicker. So I'm not even going in with foundation. I'm going with the NYX Bare With Me Tinted Skin Veil. So looking better already. And I like this. It's a little squeeze bottle. So you can kind of do that. And you can even go in with your hands if you want. So let me take off my ring. And this blends in really well with the fingers if you want to, or something quick. So you might still see some things peekabooing through, but don't we look better already? Very moisturizing once again. So for those of you who are doing this on the quick fly, that glow would just make you look a little bit more well put together, and the warmth of your hands will really get this product into your skin. So don't be afraid to use your hands. Make sure you wash your hands though. Make sure you wash your hands really good. Let's not just be touching our face with unwashed hands. But look, made that super quick and easy. Bam! Now what I am going to do really quick, because I have really bad creasing underneath my eyes, so I'm just going to set it with my NYX HD setting powder. Same thing for my lids. And do the eyebrows. So for the eyebrows, I usually like to do something like Benefit Gimme Brow. That's, kind of expensive, but it works like wonders. Essence has a really great product for that, but I don't have them right now. NYX has some. There's a lot of basically their brow mascara, so you can just quickly swipe on the brows if you do have brows like me. Also, who is regretting not getting their brows done right before this? Ooh, we're gonna have to pluck a little bit more, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm gonna go in with something quick and easy, like the Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil. It's a little bit thicker, so I don't need to do, I'm not looking for precision here. We're just looking to get some decent brows on for Karen. Looking better already. Something natural. And that's it. There we go. Much better, no? I think so. For those of us who want a little bit of face structure, let's just go in with the L'Oreal. This is the Longwear Shaping Stick. Mine is in the shade 409 Honey. So just going in. Also, this, can be no makeup looks for any other thing that you need in life. Something quick, easy. Maybe you have a booty call that's coming in 10-15 minutes. You can use this look as well. So it's like, I look, au natural. This is how I look. But depending, if you stay through till the morning, you'll really see me, but that ain't gonna happen. That's why they call them booty calls. So just pat that in. Just getting a little warmth dimension around the face so you don't look like you've been just sitting at home for the past month inside, like you look like you got your vitamin D in, but you really didn't. Ooh, this can also be used for those of you who have been dating online recently. You kicked up the Tinder, the Bumble. What are the other cool dating apps the kids are using these days? But you can use this for that quick, like, hey, let's do FaceTime. You're like, fuck. And you're looking a little ratchet. You can use this too. Got you covered, girl. For an all-natural mascara, like I've said before, I like drama, I like, you know, a little bit exaggeration, but one that I did mention was a little bit more on the natural side was the Covergirl Uncensored Exhibitionist mascara, so we're actually going to go ahead and use that for this look. Since it is pretty natural, I just need one coat. So if you've got time, we're going to go in with something like the NYX Shade Lip Liner in the shade London, just for a natural lip line. You don't have to, but you know me. All right, now you can go in with something like a clear lip gloss. I'm going to use the Grande Lip Plumper, the clear one. So we're going to be plump too. Let's comb our hair real quick. Swear to God, Karen, this better have not been a phone call. That could have been an email. Going in with some dry shampoo. Because you know you haven't showered in 3 days. And you know what? Let's go ahead and change our shirt for Karen real quick. And last but not least, spray your face. Looking glowy. And now we wait for Karen. Hi, Karen. Oh, you know, just on my second cup of coffee over here, working hard. How about you?